Let's kick things off with a shocking statistic. YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users who watch over a billion hours of videos every single day. Now imagine if you could make money from a portion of that insane amount of viewership. I'll show you how it's possible coming up. Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered if you can actually make money simply by watching YouTube videos? Well, today I'm going to share some helpful tips on how you can generate income passively just by viewing and engaging with content on the platform. There are a few legit ways to monetize your viewership, so stick around to the end to learn how. Affiliate links. The first way you can make money watching YouTube is through affiliate links and referrals. Many popular YouTubers have begun including affiliate links to products or services mentioned in their videos. They'll provide their link for viewers to click on, and when users make purchases after clicking, the YouTuber will get a commission. So think about the videos you watch on a regular basis that showcase different tools, software, or courses. You may have seen the host plug their affiliate links in the description or as an annotation on video. If you click those links and go on to buy, the YouTuber gets paid for driving that referral traffic and subsequent sale. Viewer surveys and campaigns. The second method brands use to compensate YouTube viewers is through promotional campaigns and viewer surveys on the videos. You've likely seen messages pop up on some videos where a brand may ask you to complete a quick survey or engagement offer in exchange for virtual products or money. By answering a few short questions for market research, you can often collect rewards like gift cards, game credits, redeemable points for products, or even direct payments through third-party survey channels. These are often integrated directly by advertisers looking to leverage YouTube's massive viewer base and get valuable insights. YouTube Partner Program. If you have your own YouTube channel, you can make money from ad revenue through YouTube's Partner Program. By becoming a YouTube partner, you allow Google to place ads on your videos. You'll then earn a percentage of revenue from the ads displayed on your channel and videos. As your viewership and number of subscribers grow, the potential advertising payout increases. Many popular YouTube creators have made entire careers from ad revenue by consistently producing engaging content. Tasks and microjobs. There are some companies and apps that will pay you to watch videos and complete associated microtasks. These may involve watching videos and answering questions about the content, tagging the video with relevant metadata, transcribing audio tracks, adding closed captions, etc. Some popular platforms define these microjobs include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Fiverr, Appen, and more. The pay isn't always high and depends on the complexity of the task, but over time can add up through continual participation. I hope these additional ideas help explain different ways you can generate income just from viewing and engaging with content through the YouTube platform. Let me know if you need any other clarification or have additional questions. So there you have it, tools for you to get paid for watching YouTube videos and engaging with the content and ads. You can generate passive income over time as an affiliate or by participating in channel surveys. Just be sure to avoid any offers that seem fraudulent or too good to be true. I hope you found this video helpful on making money watching YouTube. Let me know in the comments if you've used any of the methods I shared to collect rewards by viewing videos and interacting with brands on the platform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support more